Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Shri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
But in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's practical preaching, he only...
That is not possible for ordinary man.
What, to simply induce people to chant? He only introduced this.
But who is chant? Who is chant?
Well, if they won't chant, then neither will they train up in the Varnashram.
Chanting will be there. But you cannot expect that people will chant like Chaitanya. They cannot even chant 16 now.
Well, we've been...
That's just, they are going to be Chaitanya.
No, but if they at least will chant and take some...
Chanting will go on. That is not stopped. But at the same time, the Varnashram Dharma has to stand to make the way easy.
Well, at least my own understanding was that the chanting was introduced in the age of Kali because Varnashram is not possible.
It will cling to mind. Chanting will not stop.
So therefore the chanting was introduced and to replace all of the systems of Varnashram and like
yes,
that.
Yes, it can replace, but who is going to replace it? Then people are not so advanced. If you imitate Haridas Thakur to chant, then it's not possible.
We tell them go on with your job, but chant also.
Yes. Thakur apana kaaj, apana kaaj. अपना काज करती चैतन्य महाराज देता हूँ कहानी सीता निर्दिधुना निवे निंदित खाना गंदी सावर या chanting with that. They Saudi has also had that. That's right. There are she doesn't know. This kind of chanting will work. That's why our Madhu says, he was not fit for sunlight, but he has given sunlight. And Thai woman, he was a cat. I have to do so. Therefore, Varnashram Dharma is required. Simply, so bottle will not do. So, the Varnashram Dharma should be introduced all over the world and
introduced, starting with ISKCON community?
Yes. Brahman, Kshatriya, there must be regular education.
Well, in our community, it's being as we're training up as Vaishnavas,
Yes.
then how will we be able to make division in our society?
Yes, Vaishnava is not so easy. The Varnashram Dharma should be established to become a Vaishnava. It is not so easy to become a Vaishnava.
No, it's not.
Therefore this is it. Vaishnava, to become Vaishnava is not so easy. This Vaishnava, to become Vaishnava is so easy, like so many fall down. It's not easy.
The Varnashram
The sannyas is for the highest qualified Brahman. Simply by grazing like a dustpan. Hold on.
So the Varnashram system is like for the canisters. Canister adhikari.
Canister.
When one is only on
Yes,
the platform of the neophyte.
Canister, yes.
Varnashram system is beneficial.
When he says regarding money, he must be a Brahman. That is Konishta. When he says that right, Konishta regarding means he must be a qualified Brahman. That is Konishta. What he is acting as very high position in the material world. Brahmana. That is Konishta.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,